In this lesson, we're going to explore regular expression anchors, specifically focusing on how to use the caret and dollar symbols to match the beginning and the end of strings. These anchors are powerful tools for precisely defining where your pattern should match within a text. Anchors are special characters in regular expressions that do not match actual text. Instead, they specify a position within the string. Think of them like anchors on a ship. They hold the pattern at a specific spot. In this case, they specify the position in a string rather than matching actual characters. The caret symbol is used to match the beginning of a string or a line. When you place a caret at the start of a regular expression, it means that the pattern must start right at the beginning of the string being tested. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate how the caret symbol works. Consider the pattern caret hello. If we apply this pattern to the string hello world, it will result in a match because the string begins with the word hello. However, if the string is say hello, there is no match because the string does not begin with hello. The dollar symbol is used to match the end of a string or line. When you place a dollar sign at the end of a regular expression, it means that the pattern must end right at the end of the string being tested. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate how the dollar symbol works. Consider the pattern world dollar. If we apply this pattern to the string hello world, it will result in a match because the string ends with the word world. However, if the string is world peace, there is no match because the string does not end with world. Here's an example of using the caret and dollar symbols together. If you combine both the caret and dollar symbols in a regular expression, you're essentially looking for an exact match. For example, the pattern caret hello dollar means that the string must start and end with hello and nothing else. So, if the string is exactly hello, it matches. But if it's hello world or say hello, it doesn't match because those strings have extra characters. Let's take a look at a Python code example. First, import the regular expression module. Define a text variable with the value hello world. Then use research function with raw string r_caret hello. To match the start of the string, this will match. Then use research function with raw string rworld dollar. To match the end of the string, this will match. Finally, use research function with raw string r_caret hello world dollar. To match the exact string, this will match. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.